Hello, my name's Kirsten, and I'll be explaining comparative advantage. Unlike absolute advantage, comparative advantage is when a country can produce a good at a lower opportunity cost than another country. To better understand this, let's look at an example. Say we're going to examine wheat and potato production in the US versus India. And I drew out a table here, as you can see. So let's say India produces 80 wheat and they also produce 100 potatoes. However, the US produces 100 wheat and 200 potatoes. As you can see, the US actually has an absolute advantage, but it does not fully have a comparative advantage over India. So if we look at the numbers, you can see India actually has a comparative advantage in potatoes, as it only costs 0.5 wheat per potato, which means it has a lower opportunity cost. However, for the US, it costs 0.8 wheat per one potato, which is a higher opportunity cost. However, it's the opposite for production of wheat. The US has a comparative advantage because it only costs 1.5 potatoes per one wheat, where in India it costs 2 potatoes per one wheat, which means it has a higher opportunity cost and US has a lower opportunity cost. I hope that explained what opportunity cost is, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.